Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to English for Beginners channel. In this video we will listen the biography from B.J. Habibie. Listen carefully and fill the blanks. Bakaruddin Yusuf Habibie was the third president of Indonesia from 1998 to 1999. He was born in Perper, South Sulawesi on June 25, 1963. Better known as B.J. Habibie or Ayang Habibie, he spent most of his childhood years in his hometown. He moved with his mother to Bandung after his father passed away. To start a new life, his mother sold their house and vehicle. Habibie grew up as a genius pupil. After he graduated from high school in 1954, Habibie continued his study at Institute of Technology in Bandung or ITB. A year later, he received a full-funded scholarship in Germany. Habibie studied aerospace engineering and graduated as one of the brightest students even though he didn't finish his study in Bandung. His effort had been paid off when he was back to Indonesia. Habibie designed his own aeroplane called N250 Gatot Kaca and continued R80 in 2017. He was also known as a family man and a role model for young generations. Thanks a lot for listening here. Please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Alhamdulillah.